Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kira, Island Socialist on Instagram, and my blog is islandsocialist.com. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about fun hashtag sewmanpants challenge. This is a challenge for September and it's hosted by Vivian from Stitches and Seams, Karina from Lifting Pins and Needles, Nateida from So Natural Dane, and Elizabeth from Elizabeth Made It. So like the hashtag suggests, sewmanpants is all about making clothing for the men in your life or boys in your life. So what you have to do in September is you make anything except underwear for a male in your life, you post it and you tag the 4 hosts that I mentioned, and you can win some amazing prizes. Like we have a ton of great prizes and it's all random, so everybody has an equal chance of winning. And what I'll do is I list the prizes down below. Also, Vivian has a blog post out that gives you all the details you could possibly want before entering this challenge. We have all the rules, all the prizes, just an overview of the challenge, so I'll link that below so you can go and have a read.
I'm gonna be sewing because it's sewmanpants.
You're probably not, you know you're taller than me and you're probably not even there. So now I'm going to talk about my plans for sewmanpants. I'm going to show you the fabrics and the patterns that I've picked out to sew for hubby this month. The first one is this light grey French terry fabric. I've never worked with French terry before. I got this from fabricmart.com. It's a pretty thin French terry. And it does not have much stretch. What I want to make with this is the Love Notions dark side polo. It has a ton of options. There's crew neck, there is polo neck with the collar, and there's also a Henley neck. So I may actually make the Henley from a different fabric, and I'm going to show you guys that now. This is a jersey from the fabric store. It's another grey. Hubby pretty much only wears grey and black, so these were his picks when I was showing him fabrics. So this is the jersey. This is the stretch. Anyway, so this could possibly be the Henley version of the dark side, or this pattern which I've actually made before. The Henley is this one. This is Simplicity 8613. It's one of Norris's patterns. And I've made this before in black as hubby's last Christmas gift. So I'm not too sure if I'm going to use this one or the dark side one. The difference is that the dark side one has 3 buttons on the placket and this one has about 5 or oh actually 6. So maybe I should give the dark side one a try and see which one he prefers.
Dark side with anchors?
No, this is not for dark side.
For the dark side.
The dark side needs stretch. This is woven. When you feeling no things, all I hear in this man. Anyway.
No, but the anchors for the dark side would be bomb.
This next fabric is 100% cotton. It's navy with white anchors on it. And with this fabric, I'm going back to my tried and true men's shirt pattern, Macaw's M6044, which I made in July. So yes, I'm going back to that one, but I'm thinking that instead of doing a short sleeve, I'm going to do the long sleeve because he usually rolls up his long sleeves to 3/4 sleeves anyway. So I'm going to do that one. But then I'm not sure if I have enough fabric because I only have 1.5 yards of this. Actually, I have 1.5 yards of all 3 of these fabrics. So those are my plans for now. I also have this pattern that I bought a long time ago when I first discovered sewing patterns. M7486, a hoodie, some athletic shirts and joggers.
I like this one.
He likes that one, the hoodie version. So that is what I may do if I have time left after those other 3 makes. And since it has contrast, I already know black and grey, right?
Or grey and dark grey. Or black and light black.
What is light black?
Dark grey.
Goodbye. So yeah, so those are my plans for hashtag sewmanpants. Short and sweet. Hopefully they're quick, easy makes, and I have time to do the hoodie. Then I'll have done 4 things total. Can't complain with 4 things, right? That's a lot.
I guess 4 would be good enough. 4 is wonderful. Yep, amazing. That's great. Beautiful.
So I'm gonna post all the links to the blog, all the hosts, so that you can check out their videos and see what they're up to for hashtag sewmanpants. I really hope that you'll join us in this fun challenge. I can't wait to see your makes and I can't wait to show you mine. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, comment below telling me what you're gonna make for hashtag sewmanpants, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye!